Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I will be showing you how I fry my chicken. So this is the ingredients, of course: drumsticks or chicken legs, and I got this breading mix from Asian store. And this is optional, so you can spray canola oil. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I prefer spraying canola oil on my chicken legs, on both parts. And then after that, we're just gonna put our breading mix into a Ziploc. Once you're done doing that, it would be easy for us to coat our chicken legs with the breading mix. So this is just the easiest way on how I do it. And just coat your chicken legs properly. Make sure everything gets coated with our breading mix. And after that, it's time for us to air fry it. So this is the air fryer that I am using. So this is optional. You can spray canola oil before putting the chicken on the air fryer. You don't have to if you don't want to. So yeah, and after that, it's time for us to air fry it. So I put it in 400 degrees for 30 minutes because that's the longest time that is available in this air fryer. So after 30 minutes, this is how our chicken looks like. As you can see, it still need more cooking, so we're gonna add additional 30 more minutes. So of course, don't forget to flip it over. So I added 30 more minutes, and this is how it looks like after an hour of air frying my chicken legs. So this is how my fried chicken looks like. Very easy, and it tastes so good. So yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment if you like this video. Look how crunchy and crispy they look like. I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye.